Welcome, today in front of me Honor 20E, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So first you should hold for a while your screen and you'll see the transitions icon. Just as can you see, we got set it the default one, and now we can select one from these animations. So for example, I'll go with the rotate now, and now just go back, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen animation. And if you want to go back to the default one, you can just by the same way go to the transition settings, and now just go back, and as can you see, we just stay with our default with our default home screen transition. So that's how it looks. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.